Hello everyone, Hookis fans. Down here at a different spot today on the Rock Castle River. Got Guest Thompson, Brother Trenton. And yeah, hopefully it's gonna have a good fishing day. Making our way down here to the fishing spot. And we got a pretty good area to go through. And yeah, hopefully catch some pretty good fish today. Brother Trenton catching the red eye. And that's a big size, really.
That there's keeping size right there.
Yep. Go and release him. So well everyone, we're down here, but we have decided to go all the way over there to the rock where Brother Trenton is at. It's gonna be a struggle to get over there because just how muddy it is through here. So we're gonna take a different route than Guest Thompson and Brother Trenton. Yeah. Wanna try it? Brother JT. Well, you know, might as well call him Brother JT. He's actually in one of the videos. And he's stuck. Yeah, that hole is deep.
Well, I'm stuck with knee deep.
Perfect place to fish, for real. So anyways, everyone, we made it over here to the rock. And Brother Trenton over here fishing. Guest and Brother JT stuck.
What up? I have just now caught me a monster fish.
Don't mind if I come over and steal the fish bucket.
No.
Ain't nothing over there.
Alright, so yeah, we're gonna release them. He's too small.
Yeah, about that. Come on, get on, boy.
Yeah, hey, Jay, what's a fish?
Hey, guess what? Brother,
Thompson,
it's finally
first
Brother
fish of his
Thompson.
life.
Brother JT.
Hey, it didn't even worm either.
And look at me, I'm stupid.
Oh, too small. Time to go, little buddy.
Yep, small
Show me.
largemouth.
Show me, dude.
My boy got one.
Kiss you,
Finally.
but I'm not that kind of guy.
As you can see, this is a pretty good spot, but it's a good spot to swim, I'd say. It's a lot of little fish, I guess because, you know, the stream. But I'd say right down there would be a perfect spot. So Brother Trenton and Brother JT is right here is in a competition. Who to catch the first fish?
I was about to say, I just vlog. I was just catching.
Maybe JT will catch a fish here. Or maybe Brother Trenton over here will.
feet in front of me.
But anyways, guys, Hookis fam, we are having a fishing competition right here. The river fishing competition, what you clicked on the video for.
Competition for myself is a cast more than 2 feet.
Yeah, we got Brother JT taking on Brother Trenton. First one to catch a fish gets to pick the next video we do.
By the way, I'm having a picnic.
Boring.
It doesn't matter.
A Hookis picnic. Brother Ben would be laughing at you right now.
Brother Ben.
There you go, you hit the water that time.
What you waiting for? There ain't nothing gonna be on this line for a while.
We got Brother Thompson over here. He's just wading around right in the water, trying to win this competition no matter how.
Cast more than 2 feet in front of me. We just, put the rod out 2 feet in front of me.
Yeah, look at that view though.
Well, my kind of casting skills, I ain't getting nowhere besides the casting guy.
I'm gonna catch something. I'm gonna bait him.
I had 2 bites. Stop looking at me.
I cast it at the spot where you got a bit.
Got a bit? Got a bit?
Oh!
So Brother Trenton over here has got this spot, and JT has got the other spot.
I'll catch something for sure right here.
Cast straight in front of you. Try that. Just don't hook me.
Yeah!
Well, JT just caught a fish, but it fell off, so that does not count. Throw it again so you get it.
Caught it.
Well,
Yes! Almost! A red eye. It's a red eye.
go throw one more cast. I'm giving you one more cast because I told you to throw it in again. If you catch this will counter-react his catch. How about that? No, it's a red eye. Yeah. Heck yeah. No, this is big. Bigger anyway. But still, ouch. Brother Trenton, pull the line through.
Well, probably guys, I was just joking, but the next time we're going fishing if I win this. And also, thank you, buddy. Thank you for letting me catch you. No, we ain't throwing me this time.
See ya, buddy. Yeah, he caught one right after.
It was right, it got on the bank, and it didn't leave the water. I got it right here, and it flopped off.
Dang.
That's the best cast to do too. I got it all the way over there. Makes it worse too, like you said. You never let you over here and fish. As soon as you said it, got a bite and started yanking. Got it up here.
Still.
No
Well, ain't no picnic. We're going back to fishing.
Yeah.
Brother Trenton takes up the victory.